Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20 and the 50 SMAs on TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open TradingView, then go to indicators here at the top. Click on it, go to search and type SMA and choose this one, moving average simple. SMA stands for moving average simple or simple moving average. Okay, so click on it 2 times like this, as you can see. Now let's close this window. Go to SMA 9. Click on the gear icon. Go to input and change length to 20. Okay, click on OK. And go again to SMA 9. Click on the gear icon and change length again to 50. As you can see, we have here the 20 and the 50 SMAs. So let's change the colors so you can remember your SMAs. So click on the gear icon. So this is the 20. Click on style and we have the color. I will choose, let's choose for example yellow or red. We have here the thickness of this moving average of the line. So I will choose for example this one. Click on OK. So this is our 20 SMA. Now let's change the 50. Click on the gear icon. Blue, I will change it to black. You can keep it blue if you want, but the thickness I will change it also to this one. Click on OK. And now, as you can see, we have here the 20 SMA, this one, and we have the 50 SMA, this one. If you didn't remember any one of them, just click on the moving average like this, and it will be selected here, as you can see. If I click on the 50, it will be selected. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.